Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices fell slightly as investors worried that US tariffs could slow energy demand ahead of an expected supply boost by major crude producers. Trump's 90-day pause on implementation of higher US tariffs ends on July the 9th. Wall Street rallied to record highs as chipmaker Nvidia rose closer to a $4 trillion valuation, and a surprisingly strong US jobs report cheered investors, who shrugged off dimming chances for a US interest rate cut this month. Crypto mining stocks logged strong weekly gains in a rally fueled by signs that a favourable macroeconomic backdrop could support the US Federal Reserve's soft landing narrative. Shares of major mining firms surged between 13% and 28% over the past 4 trading sessions.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.